हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम वेलकम माय डियर फ्रेंड। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। दोस्तों, हाजिर हूँ आपके साथ एक बार फिर से नए टॉपिक के साथ। तो गेट लाइव वालों की तरफ से जो न्यू प्रोजेक्ट आया है, लूट लेजेंड ऑफ ट्रेडर्स। तो उसकी ब्रीफिंग दूंगा आपको दोस्तों, तो जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ हमेशा की तरह। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। थैंक यू सो मच। तो गेट लाइव लूट प्रोजेक्ट का रिव्यू दूंगा आपको। Get live. Get launch for newly added leagues of traders. Loot. Stake ETG GT to earn rewards deliver in real time. Welcome Crypto MacBook. Welcome Yakub 2222. Welcome Tanveer. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Crypto MacBook. How are you my dear friends? Thank you so much for joining. उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे। सो आज का हमारा जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो है गेट लाइफ की तरफ से न्यू प्रोजेक्ट। तो जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ। सो वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम बिगनर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच। सो वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। League of Traders (LOT) will be launched on Gate Launchpool Stake ETH GT to earn loot tokens every hour. So airdrop details: staking periods June 2025 at 12. So welcome and thank you so much for joining the stream. Welcome to all of you my dearest friends. तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं न्यू प्रोजेक्ट की। June 26, 2025 at 12 UTC. Total staking rewards 2.000 2.000 LOT loot. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of my dear friends. Welcome Crypto Princess. Walaikum Assalam. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome my dear friends. Thank you so much. Crypto Prince, not Princess. Walaikum Assalam. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So straight to on now. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Welcome and thank you so much. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. So this is the official page of Loot LOT, South Korea #1 special trading platform that gamifies the crypto trading experience backed by the Marina C3 Virtual Canadize Crypto VCSC New Business. Welcome and thank you so much. Korean Gaming Company. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So this is our two pools, my dear friends. You can see, my dear friends, this projects of two pools, GT pools, total staking 1.2 200.000 loot. Participant is 4935. Token stake GT. Price pool hourly cap is 10,000 loot. Mining period is 5 days. Individual hourly rewards cap 1000 loot. Total staking 2.050.841.02 GT. APR is 6.63. So welcome and thank you so much again. Welcome BTC ETH. Welcome Bhaiya. Welcome Gate user. Make 20 money. Welcome all Gate user. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much Crypto Prince for joining and comments me. Walaikum Assalam. How are you Crypto Prince? So click the stake button. You can stake now, my dear friends. minimum 0.01. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. I am good. So second pool is ETH pool. You can see, my dear friends, ETH. So now go to the ETH pool. Welcome back, Crypto Prince. Welcome and thank you so much, Crypto Prince. How are you, Crypto Prince? Welcome to join my live stream, Crypto Prince. So number second pool is ETH pool. Total staking rewards 800 point triple zero loot. So participant is 1.980 total token staking. ETH price pool holiday cap 6.666.66 loot. You can see, my dear friends. So welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So mining period is 5 days. Individual holiday reward caps 666.66 loot. Total staking 13.179.255079 ETH. APR is 4.38%. So you can stake now. Now click the stake button and 0.0003 stake. Welcome and thank you so much, Crypto Prince. Thank you so much for the comments. So now go to the official websites of this. Welcome, happy birthday, welcome our gate user, this project. So welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining and comments me. So आज हम बात कर रहे हैं गेट लाइव की तरफ से मिला न्यू प्रोजेक्ट लूट प्रोजेक्ट LOT। सो मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा, मैं आपको इसके प्रोजेक्ट की A to Z गाइड कर रहा हूँ, तो इसलिए बने रहिएगा। एक्सपेंडेड द वर्ल्ड ऑफ सोशल ट्रेडिंग, लीग ऑफ ट्रेडर्स। We take social trading to new levels. See which traders are ranked the highest. Look into user portfolio to know what trading and more evaluates your portfolio now. The loot tokens. The loot tokens opens up new possibility which with access to exclusive events, special discounts, and more using or innovative stake through trade models. You can trade like the process on legal on traders. Start buying loot tokens. Trade on Binance Alpha. Trade on PancakeSwap. The airdrops schedules will be shared thought on community channel. Follow us for real-time updates. Welcome gate user. Walaikum assalam gate user. Welcome and thank you so much for joining. Welcome. Crypto Echo, how are you? Welcome Crypto Miss. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे। Hello everyone, how are you, Crypto Miss? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Crypto Miss कैसी हैं आप? ठीक हैं, उम्मीद है खैरियत से होंगी। Welcome Gate user. Thank you so much Gate user for joining my live stream again and again. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome. Join my live stream. Welcome. I am also good, Crypto Prince, Crypto Miss. उम्मीद है आप भी खैरियत से होंगी। And thank you so much for joining and comments me. And Gate user, you also welcome. So क्रिप्टो मैकबुक और क्रिप्टो प्रिंस पहले से मौजूद थे। सो मेरे और भी दोस्त मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम में आ गए हैं रौनक लगाने के लिए। क्रिप्टो मिस ने ज्वाइन किया है और गेट यूज़र भी हमारे साथ हैं। सो ज्वाइन करें एंड लाइक एंड फॉलो लाजमी कर लें दोस्तों, ताकि आप मेरी सारी लाइव को भी देख सकें। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। लीग्स ऑफ ट्रेडर्स, लॉट्स टोकन्स, लूट्स टोकन्स आर लीडर बोर्ड फॉर ट्रेडर्स। Use or one of the kind leaderboard to see which traders are making the best trader, earning the most profiles, and even pick into their portfolios to learn and what they did to get to the top of the leaderboard. Contribute with your community to become a better trader. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear friends. वेलकम. सो लाजमी फॉलो लाजमी किया करें दोस्तों, ताकि आपको लाजमी डेली की स्ट्रीम मिलती रहे. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो मिस. सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस नज़र नहीं आ रही, क्रिप्टो प्रिंस आ गए हैं, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक भी हैं. क्रिप्टो आई की कमी महसूस हो रही है. वेलकम बिगनर, वेलकम अनदर गर्ल. तो बाकी फ्रेंड्स भी मेरे रौनक लगाने में मौजूद हैं. सो यू कैन सी द लिस्ट ऑफ एंड ग्राफिक्स ऑफ ट्रेड. सो नंबर 1 पर है सुपर बेस्ट कॉइन हैप्पी डे लेवल अप कॉइन. सो इन्होंने अब तक इसके ऊपर जितनी ट्रेड करी है वो सारी शो हो रही है ग्राफिक्स. सो बाइनास, बिटनम, बिटमैक्स बाईबिट पर हैं सेकंड वाले. थर्ड वाला है बाइनांस बिटमैक्स एंड अपबिट भी है. बाइनांस मैक है फिफ्थ वाला एंड सिक्स पर है सुपर पावर. सबसे कम है इनकी ट्रेडर और ये है सबसे नंबर 6. So now go to the next one. You can see the beautiful websites of legal leagues of traders, social trading service. Leagues of Traders is a leading social trading platform that providing user with unique tools to harness the power of community, because multiplayer is a lot more interesting than single players. We pull back the crypto curtain of security and treat the trading world like a social network, allowing users to see each other's portfolio, share strategic, copy trade, and prove the validity of their funds in or otherwise individual domain. Welcome and thank you so much, Crypto Miss. Have a good day. Thank you so much. You also have a great user. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. सो गेट यूज़र आपको भी हमारी टीम में ज्वाइन है, तो आपको भी बेस्ट काम बताया जाएगा. अभी वेट करें लाइव स्ट्रीम के बाद. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. सो क्रिप्टो के लगभग ही होगा, हमारी टीम में सब क्रिप्टो हैं, देख सकते हैं सब क्रिप्टो इधर मौजूद हैं. आई एम आल्सो क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन. सो 100K plus user from 90 plus countries. So 5 billion plus monthly trading volume, 6 million traders per month. Thank you so much Crypto Miss and Kate user Kaya 3404. So क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस किधर हैं क्रिप्टो मिस? मुझे लगता है वो गर्मी से कहीं बेहोश तो नहीं हो गई, क्योंकि आजकल गर्मी इतनी है कि हर दूसरा बंदा बेहोश हो रहा है. आई एम आल्सो बेहोश yesterday for the गर्मी. From portfolio to copy trading, user cannot multiple exchange account at once to consolidate it. Their data is one commitment. Easy to understand portfolio league of trades is uniquely positioned as one of the few platforms that allow user to see the portfolio of other traders. We subscription implements a copy trading program giving user the chance to copy the trades of the high profits. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome and thank you so much, our dear friends. Welcome my all dear friends. Welcome Crypto Prince, Crypto MacBook. Hello Crypto Princess. So Crypto Princess आपको ही याद किया जा रहा था. तो मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम की रौनक लगाने वाली क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस भी लाइव स्ट्रीम पर आ गई हैं. क्रिप्टो मिस भी थी, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक थे, क्रिप्टो प्रिंस थे और गेट यूज़र भी हमें ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा ही रौनक लगा रहे हैं. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर all sage friends. Thank you so much. You can see the trader picture. You can see my dear friends, this is trade picture of this website. Welcome Crypto Miss. Crypto Miss, how are you? Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. तो लाइक एंड फॉलो भी लाजमी किया करें, जो जो लाइव स्ट्रीम पे नए आते हैं वो ज्वाइन करके। हाँ, वेलकम क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस। हाउ आर यू क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर joining live stream. So you can see the graph of picture. So this is a trading graph pictures. Starting earning loot tokens with legal lake points. Lake points are our way to give back to the community and encourage you to make the most out of your league of traders. Experience, we have created simple missions that every user can do to earn league points, which can be exchanged for loot, tokens, and more. So start earning. Thank you so much. I am good, Crypto Princess. How about you? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much. So welcome. You can see the picture of again. So league points missions. Follow on X, tell LP, refer a friends 20 LP, connect exchange 20 LP. So you can earn the 50 LP points as a thank you to all long time user mission that have been filled out will be marked as completed relative. Claim your league points thought the points management page. Our partners, welcome and thank you so much. Good to see you, Crypto Princess. You also good. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, Crypto Miss. You also प्यारी. Always. You all बहुत प्यार. Thank you so much. Leagues of traders, partners with the best exchange. We will continue expanded our list of partners according to the needs of our user. Thank you so much for joining. You can see the all users. So Binance, Bybit, BitMax, Coinbase, OKX, Gate, BitGates, Blowfine, Maxi, PingX, Upbit, Bito, Vox, BMax. So I have suggest you, my dear friends, you can see the gate of. So you will join these websites and create gateio.com. So you can see the, my dear friends, all my dear friends. Welcome beginner, welcome crypto princess, welcome and thank you so much. Welcome, thank you so much. Yes. So welcome crypto MacBook again. Welcome आपका ज्वाइन करने का वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच और माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. सो आ गए हैं हमारे लाइव की रौनक एक और क्रिप्टो आई. सो थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो आई. थोड़ा लेट हो गए आप आते आते, लेकिन आप भी आ ही गए. तो देख रहे हैं मेरी लाइव पे आज रौनक ही रौनक है. सब क्रिप्टो एक साथ आ गए हैं. सो क्रिप्टो मार्केट बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऊपर जा रही है. Get to know leagues of traders. So loot now on Qcoin June 2025, 1108. Loot is now on BitMax. Staking now live. Loot is now live token. So this is all of, you can see loot is coming. Binance, get the loot tokens. Test on now live. Loot now on Qcoin, BitMax, staking. So this is a, so now go to the quick FAQ. So what is the League of Traders? League of Traders is a social trading app that gamifies that crypto trading experience. We want trading to be the fun of electric. We're promoting an open and transparent community so our user can learn about investing and trading from each other while also socializing and having fun. We also love to reward our user with the monitoring prize when we see the killing the game with their trades like thought of monthly leagues. Have we convinced you yet? Welcome my dear Crypto I. Thank you so much for joining Crypto I. How are you, Crypto? Hi, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप सब दोस्तों का। ऐसे ही मेरी स्ट्रीम पे रौनक मेला लगा के रखा करें, डेली आ जाया करें और लूट मेला लगा के रखा करें, क्योंकि आज हमारा टॉपिक जो है वो भी लूट है। लीग्स ऑफ ट्रेडर्स, तो शॉर्ट फॉर्म उसकी लूट है, तो इसलिए लूट मेला चालू है। थैंक यू सो मच आवर डियर फ्रेंड्स। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट आर लीग पॉइंट्स? League points are a way to give back to the community and encourage you make the most out of your league of traders. Experience, we have created simple mission that every user can do to earn legal points, which can the be exchanged for loot tokens and more can give in wallet and get earning. Welcome, our dear friends. What is the copy trading? For copy trading, user can follow the traders of high profits experts and copy trader executives move to produce the same high profits result by applying the same strategy. You can quit literally make your accounts to what to the experts to see or guides of copy trading. For more information on how to get started. Welcome. Thank you so much again and again, my all dear friends. Welcome Skyfall, welcome all gate user. So और भी जो मेरे यूज़र आ रहे हैं वो भी चाहें तो कमेंट्स कर सकते हैं और अपना हिस्सा मिला सकते हैं। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच। सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस को मुबारक हो, उनका फर्स्ट रिवॉर्ड उनको रिसीव हो गया है। क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस को बहुत ही अच्छी लाइव स्ट्रीमर है और आते ही इन्होंने कमाल कर दिया अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम। So how do I connect with exchange to leak to traders? Log in into your exchange accounts. Add to your API management page to begin create an API key. Make sure to enable the professionals outlined in your guide guaranteed at API key and copy the key. Head to the exchange page on your League on Traders profile and click plus connect and exchange. You will then be invited to enter your API keys. So next one is, can leagues of traders use me money? Is a secure. Leagues of traders does not hold custody of your funds. If you the required permissions are come, and thank you so much for joining. So exchange. So how can I edit our referral codes? Go to your account settings and enter the referral code within 3 days of create your account to receive referral benefits. So you can see the picture of and you can account to add it. Welcome and thank you so much. Crypto Y, Crypto Prince, Crypto Princess, Crypto Maze. Thank you so much. T-Rex. Thank you. Welcome Crypto 77 Bangladesh. Welcome and thank you so much. Inserts Coin. How are you, my dear? Welcome and thank you so much. Thank you so much for the best wishes, Crypto Princess. You also great job and thank you so much. Very well. Crypto Princess, welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So next one, where else can I find leagues of trades? Glad your ask. Our community is growing every day, just like your portfolio. Find us here: Telegram, Instagram, X, Twitter, Facebook. So this is a download leagues of traders for a smooth mobile experience. Okay, you can download the Play Store and download on the App Store. So now go to the leaderboards. So next one is leaderboards. League of Traders, the loot tokens available now on Binance Alpha. So you can see the beautiful. So this is a trading sessions. You can see the all traders and trading. This is a graph of, this is a number one, the highest trading on this league of traders. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for all my dear friends for the lots of message. Thank you so much. So now go to the portfolio. You can see the, so connect your exchange, you can see your portfolio. So इसमें portfolio हमें बनाना पड़ेगा दोस्तों, so तभी हम इसका portfolio हम अपना बना के देख सकते हैं. So load tokens. So I will tell about the load tokens. So now timeline, community timelines. So share your result and inserts on the timeline. You can see the timeline and messages. You can see, my dear friends. So this is a timeline of messages and messages. So announcements. Announcements is all announcements for, this is launching of all platforms. You can see the announcements. So this is the gates launching today 12 p.m. UTC. You can see live. It starts. So it's taking now. Slot now off. Slot now. Staking now. Load off now. Live. So this is all launching websites. Welcome and thank you so much. गेट यूजर ऑलवेज सपोर्ट यू. गेट यूजर, हम आपको भी बड़े जल्दी लाइव पर देखना चाहेंगे. यस यस गेट यूजर, ऑलवेज भी सपोर्ट यू एंड क्रिप्टो मेज, आपको भी सपोर्ट किया जाएगा. और बहुत जल्द मैं चाहूँगा कि आप सब भी लाइव स्ट्रीम पे लाइव नज़र आएँ. सो फ्यूचर लाइव चैट, you can see the live chat. Monthly trading volume 7.658, 017 and 0.200. You can see the, ये बढ़ता हुआ ट्रेड है, लाइव ट्रेड है और लाइव बढ़ रहा है, आपके सामने है. ये लाइव ट्रेडिंग हो रही है, आप देख रहे हैं. और ये इसका ग्राफ है इस टोकन का, आप देख सकते हैं ट्रेडिंग कैसे स्पीड से हो रही है. Welcome and thank you so much, our dear friends. So monthly trades, you can see 1.903.200. This is highest rate on month. So you can see the graph of. So now go to the AI. Leagues of traders with AI. Ready to level up your trading with AI. Elevates your investment with the AI-powered insights driving by real trading data from your league of traders. Accounts gets clear insights into your trading history and token choice, along with the practical tips to refine your strategy. Run AI analysis. Thank you so much, Crypto Miss, Gate user, Crypto I, for joining and supporting me. God willing, I will appear before you soon. Thank you so much, my dear Gate user. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome, Crypto Miss, and thank you so much, Crypto Miss. How are you, all my dearest friends? Okay, Crypto Princess. So, Crypto Princess, I will join. Thank you so much for joining live stream. No, Crypto Princess, you are not Soteli. I will tell about you. You are always Sagi, Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining. You will Sagi. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for joining for live stream. And thank you so much for joining. So you on your level, Crypto Princess. You can see the, now you are V1. So congratulations, you up your level. Thank you so much. You not noted. So Web3. So this is a Web3 leagues of trades, Web3 staking pools overview, API. Thank you so much. Claiming rewards, you lot. So you can see the Web3. So now go to the white paper of these sites. So leagues of traders, white paper, introductions, league of traders, socializing and game filing, crypto trading. Why, what is the League of Traders? This is no, no. You are very ज़्यादा सगी. Crypto Princess, thank you so much. But you are gate वालों की ज़्यादा सगी. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Crypto Miss ने भी आपको बता दिया है. You are not socially. Thank you so much. League of Traders is a social trading app that's giving user trading superpowers to do what no trading platforms have ever done before. See a ranking of the top traders from all over the global highlighting from our top exchange and see what they are doing to get there by the glassing and their portfolio. If you don't feel like trading on your own, you can start copy trading mirror. That's user traders. Leagues of traders. Leagues mirror. Leagues of traders. This has been the top social trading platform in Korea since 2022 and has a loyal community of trusting long-term users. Thus, users take advantage of the environment's future but also enjoy some of your simple features such as our multi-exchange portfolio and newly added social pi benefits. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friend. Thank you so much. Crypto Princess, Crypto I, Crypto Miss, and Crypto Princess and Prince, and Crypto Backbook. Thank you so much for joining and support. Always support. So next one, problem statement. Challenge in a growing crypto market. Transparency, access, participations, despite the rapid growth of the digital assets trading industry and increasing participation from both retail and institutional investors, the trading environments still face schedule limitations, the hinder its mutual accessibility and innovations. Lack of the transparency in the trader's behavior. The digital assets trading landscape remains legally competitive with the most traders operating in closed environments where strategic and platforms matters are not publicly visible. This lack of transparency make it difficult for participants, specifically newcomers, to build trust, learn from others, and make informed discussions without accessibility. Benchmarks of ability tracks records user face significant barriers to understanding and improving their trade practice. Thank you so much, Crypto Miss. Welcome, Inserts Coin. Welcome, Rutuba. Welcome, Algate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So, limit access to expertise and strategic implementations. FX trading strategies are often compared to a small group advanced users, protect beyond technical complements and exclusive network. As a result, most users are unable to access replicates proven trading approach in a scalable, cost-efficient manner. The gap in accessibility refers inequality of the outcomes and prevents knowledge from begin affiliates is shared across the wider trading community. Insufficient initiative for community participants and contributions. Most exacting platforms fail to encourage or rewards meaningful community engagements. Traders operators in isolations with little motivations and contribute to the growth or educations of other the options of strategic innovatives for collaborations, leaderships, and content. Sharing limits the developments of vibrant value generated trading communicates and weakness long-term user retention. Thank you so much, Crypto Miss. Thank you so much for joining and appreciating me. थैंक यू सो मच। सो आप सब दोस्तों की बदौलत ही इतना अच्छा वर्क होता है, आप सब दोस्तों की सपोर्ट की वजह से ही होता है। सो डेली ही ऐसे आ जाया करें सपोर्ट के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम बिगनर, वेलकम सोडर, वेलकम टी रैक्स, वेलकम केट यूजर, वेलकम क्यूबुल, 8888। थैंक यू सो मच। सो नेक्स्ट वन इज सोल्यूशन। Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So, leagues of traders are comprehensive community driving solution, transparent and verifiable trading environments. Leagues of traders fosters and transparent ecosystem where user publicly shares their trader strategic and performance. This openness promotes shared learning, builds trust among participants, and reduces information assignments. Commons in digital assets markets, accessibility, expertise, and strategic replications. User can access and apply the strategic of top performance traders thoroughly. Pleasure. How are you, Crypto Miss? कैसी हैं आप? ठीक हैं? उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगी। So, additional, the platforms offers load beacon, which enables user refers high performing trader patterns identify from the engagements user activities. This strategy can be applied manually and automatically across citizens. And decanalization exchange providing a flexible and platform against trading experience. Good, Crypto Maze. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, you are very ज़्यादा प्यारी. Good. You also ज़्यादा प्यारी. अगर आप रोज़ाना मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम में आती रहेंगी तो आप इससे भी ज़्यादा प्यारी हो जाएंगी. Incentives community participation. League of Traders enhance user agreements for leaderboards, components, and the performance-based rewards. The platform social staking and model combines traditional proof of stake POS with the novel proof of community POC. Maximize rewarding user not only for staking tokens but also for contributing to the community growth. Third, active participation, leadership, and collaborations. This approach allowing economic incentives with the long-term developments of a vibrant user-driving trading community. The following are key platforms fluctuations that bring that solution to life. Thank you so much, Gate user, for joining and appreciating me. Thank you so much. So you understand me, Crypto Maze. Thank you so much for joining and supporting me. Thank you so much, Gate user. So जो जो मेरी लाइफ में आता है वो ज़्यादा प्यारा हो जाता है, तो इसलिए डेली लाइफ में आया करें और प्यारे से प्यारा होते जाएं। वेलकम विजिटर 556138। वेलकम आर गेट यूजर। वेलकम टूथपिक ब्रेन। वेलकम दिया दिया। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो मिस फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम पांडा क्रिप्टो। हाउ आर यू पांडा? Panda is good Panda. Audi 90. So now go to the next one, portfolio management. So solution, portfolio management. There has been a formation of the exchange is the virtual asset sectors, resulting in user having to use servers, exchange thought out their crypto journey. All the will the industry did not have a unified platform that allowing user to engage and manage their portfolio to address this league of traders create a portfolio trackers for user to consider it and manage their portfolios from multiple exchange all in one place. The portfolio trackers aggregates data from servers exchange into one portfolio, linking real-time prices and position data to providing reliable coverage from user exchange. This means user wants need to use multiple platforms at one time to get things all done. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for chai. You like chai? Crypto miss? Pizza enjoy. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for the pizza. So you will give Khayali pizza. Thank you so much for giving me Khayali pizza. Thank you so much, Crypto miss. You also enjoy Khayali chai. Thank you so much. So League of Traders already supports servers, major exchange and continues to receive the requests from other platforms who wish to join the roster. This list will continue to expand and demand continues to grow. So you can see the graph of this website. So Binance, Bybit, BitMax, Coinbase, OKX, Bitgate, Paymax, MaxiGlobo, BingX, Upbit, and B2Up. Thank you so much, CryptoBase. So enjoy the Khayali juice. Thank you so much. So next one is leaderboard. Solution. Leaderboard user have to a opportunity to complete with the best readers or simple proof that they are the best by tapping the leaderboard. The leaderboard shows our ranks of users from all over the world, allowing the participant to see just how good at trading they are. The leaderboard is updated in real time and show which user have made to the biggest earning. Will their portfolios show how they made this earning and leave of trader promotes an open and transparent community thought which user can learn about to investing and trading from one another will also socialize and having fun. Welcome and thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. So welcome back Crypto Princess. So Crypto Princess आ गई हैं गर्मी का तोहफा लेकर मैंगोज। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द मैंगोज। आई लव मैंगोज क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस। सो थैंक यू सो मच। ड्रीम जूस, यस यस, always welcome, my pleasure, crypto miss. I have always give you khayali pulao and khayali juices and khayali teas. The transparency of leader of streets of community produce and efforts. Way to combat scammers is the crypto world. There is lot of fuel, fear, uncertainty, and debate. Is in crypto, but rest assets. That is user and the leaderboard. It's because they can put their money where their month is. The future can be used to create a sense of trust with the potential client, copy trader, followers, and fan whoever else needs to see proof of skill. Even if it's to prevent frauds, getting on the leaderboard is the best way to prove a trader is good as the say. So you can see the R leaderboard figure. Thank you so much. I'll get user, inserts coin, Carol, triple A, crypto base. Thank you so much for joining live stream and beautiful comments. Thank you so much. Again, juice, crypto miss आपके लिए. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. सो क्रिप्टो मिस ने क्रिप्टो पेसिस के भी एक पिज़्ज़े का स्लाइस भेजा है. सो मुझे तो फुल पिज़्ज़ा आया था क्रिप्टो पेसिस. आपको एक स्लाइस भेजा है सिर्फ. सो यू कैन एंजॉय योर स्लाइस. So now go to the next one, copy trading. So copy trading is best trading for other trading. You can also my copy trading. So now go to the strategic. You can see the strategic. So you can show and आपके सामने strategic का ऑप्शन दिख रहा होगा चैट के साथ. वहाँ क्लिक करेंगे आप. तो मेरी ट्रेडिंग आपके सामने आ जाएगी. वहाँ पे कॉपी स्ट्रेटेजिक लिखा हुआ होगा. वहाँ से जाके स्ट्रेटेजिक करें तो आप अच्छा और बेहतर प्रॉफिट ट्रेडिंग पे ले सकते हैं. सो मैं मार्केट पर करवाता हूँ शॉर्ट ट्रेडिंग बहुत ज़्यादा. तो लेकिन आजकल प्रोजेक्ट आए हुए हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. सो इसलिए टाइम नहीं मिल रहा मार्केट पे जाने के लिए. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस वेलकम ऑल गेट यूजर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. So copy trading is a function thought which user can mirror the traits of experience. Trades knows as copy leaders. User can follow the traders of these experts and the replicate their results more appreciably. This function is ideas for users who are less experienced and unfamiliar with the trading. Or who simple don't have the time to trade timeless. Thank you so much, Crypto Miss, for the noodles, cold coffee. Enjoy. Thank you so much. I like cold coffee and I will join it. Thank you so much. I don't like tea, but I like and love cold coffee. Thank you so much for giving a cold coffee. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच अगेन. वेलकम बैक क्रिप्टो आई. सो क्रिप्टो आई ने भी वापसी से हमें ज्वाइन कर लिया है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुशामदीद क्रिप्टो आई आपका ज्वाइन करने का लाइव को. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम आज माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस क्रिप्टो आई बेहोश हुए पड़े हैं इसलिए लाइव पर से गायब हो जाते हैं. सो अगेन आ गए हैं मेरा दिल खुश करने के लिए और आते ही दिल खुश कर दिया क्रिप्टो आई ने. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो आई फॉर द बिग गिफ्ट. सो हमेशा की तरह क्रिप्टो आई आके गिफ्ट दे जाते हैं और दिल खुश कर जाते हैं. ये गिफ्ट सिर्फ मेरे लिए होता है बाकी किसी के लिए नहीं क्योंकि आई एम वेरी वेरी ज़्यादा सगा फॉर क्रिप्टो आई. हाउ डोज कॉपी ट्रेडिंग वर्क? In order for copy trading to operate, legal operators must first track to the copy leader's portfolio in real time. When the copy leaders make a trader a corresponding trades will be treasured on the copy trader's account. This means that both accounts will always affiliate the same traders. Replicability. Whenever a copy leader changes their assets, rate IO by withdrawing and deposit funds. The copy trader's rate IO will also be adjusted accordingly to providing any losses resulting from excessive trading and to avoid any orders futures owing to minimum other continued issues. League of Traders does not encourage any traders below a quartering 3 holes. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. All gate user, you can see the picture of this both figure copy trading friends. Welcome and thank you so much. Crypto miss. There I am too much Soteli. No, no, Crypto miss, you are not Soteli. Crypto princess, you are also not Soteli. Thank you so much for joining. This is all Sage and welcome to join my live stream. So crypto आई स्ट्रॉबेरी एंड वाटरमेलन लाए हैं क्रिप्टो मिस के लिए. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस ने स्ट्रीम कब करनी है क्रिप्टो आई पूछ रहे हैं. तो वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो मैं अपनी लाइव के बाद बेहोश हो जाऊंगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज पे टू सी. The League of Traders platform future a dynamic leaderboards that ranks traders based on the performance matrix. Natural, the faster and strong amount to user to above the strategic and portfolio composition of the top rank. Thank you so much, Crypto Miss. Most welcome, Crypto Miss. हमेशा आपको वेलकम. To the pay to see future enable user to unlock access the another user portfolio by the playing a one-time fee in loot token. See model proper promotes generator transparency and the innovative information sharing in a decanalization manner, allowing skilled traders to be the friendly rewarded for showcasing their strategy. थैंक यू माय प्लेजर. क्रिप्टो में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आज आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम में देख के. तो बहुत जल्दी उम्मीद है कि हम आपको भी लाइव करता हुआ देखेंगे और ऐसे ही हमेशा आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे. तो क्रिप्टो मिस, उम्मीद है आपको आपका नाम पसंद आया होगा जो गेट लाइव वालों का हमने रखा है. तो ऐसे ही आपने गेट लाइव की क्रिप्टो मिस बन के रहना है. Unlike traditional platform based access control, pay to say on leagues of traders in execute thought a smart contract deploys on the blockchain. When a user entitle a pay to say action or transaction is sent to the smart contract which records the payment and promise grant on chain. Once confirmed, the user of authorizer to exit the target portfolio. Most welcome, my pleasure always. The maximize ensure transparency and ability access right without reeling Solio on canalization database system allowing with the platform goal of decanalization and verifiability. So next one, load beacon. Thank you so much for supporting. इंशाल्लाह थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत अच्छा लगता है आप सबको ऐसे खुश देख के. हमेशा ही ऐसे खुश रहा करें. God bless you, you and your family. Crypto Miss, Crypto Princess, Crypto I, Gate User, Crypto MacBook, Crypto Prince. जो जो लोगों ने मुझे कमेंट्स किए हैं, God bless you all my dear friends. Solution load beacon. Strategic executions with decanalization flexibility. Load beacon. It's a decanalization strategic execution Modely that allow user to direct, manage their trading assets and select trading strategic thought a smart contract interface by supporting both manually and automatic execution modes. User can apply choose strategic across canalizations CEX and decanalizations DEX exchange based on the performance and risk profiles. Welcome our gate user. Welcome and thank you so much. Here, thank you so much. Always there for you. Welcome 1K89. Welcome T-Rex. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining for live stream. Thank you so much. Crypto Princess, Inserts Coin, and Crypto Maze. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much. वेलकम स्काईफॉल, वेलकम जी ऑल थिंग्स जी, वेलकम ऑल गेट यूजर। बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब दोस्तों का आने का। Innovative with the Beacon ecosystem are powered by the loot tokens. User pay more the access the Beacon strategic using loot will the contribute view help generated high share of the rewards thought are transparent and on-chain distribution maximize this allowing the interest of strategic user and creators repurposing or decanalizations and the collaborating trading ecosystem. थैंक यू क्रिप्टो मिस। बहुत शुक्रिया आपका कि आप अभी तक मेरी लाइव में बनी हुई हैं। तो उम्मीद है आप अच्छे से सीख रही होंगी लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख के। सो उम्मीद है जब आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम पे देखेंगे तो आप भी बेस्ट से बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस देंगे। सो गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन, सोशल स्टेकिंग solution are due initiative measurement for the capital and community participation. Gate user, welcome White Shadow, welcome Nikeno. Thank you so much, Nikeno, for joining live stream. The social staking models in leagues of traders combines the traditional proof of staking (POS) framework with the novel proof of community (POC) approaching to the reward both individual tokens community and community level engagements. Participants lock lots of tokens to opting mining power MP, which determines their rewards and eligibility. Staking rewards are distributed from a fixed mining allocated as follows: 40% to POS and 60% POC. Both pools following a declining ambitious schedule, releasing 91% of total rewards over 6 years according to the following decanus models. Welcome gate user. Welcome Z all things C. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much. Year 1 of the total allocation, year 2 1.5, 2.5, year 3 1.5 and 2.5, continuing exploiting in subsequent years. Under the POC models, reward proportions to the amounts and duration of the user token lock up the POC models. On the other hand, distributed rewards to the top 12 communities based on their collective voting power which the reflect user activities, leadership and participation. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So our decanalizations advantages of the POC system is not members of the same community. Welcome all gate user. Thank you so much gate user. Welcome Dybit. तो क्रिप्टो करेंसीज फिर से गायब हैं, लग रहा है कि आज भी लुका छुपी चल रही है. So portfolio and share trading strategic in a transparent and collaborative environment. This promotes peer-to-peer learning. Thank you so much Crypto Miss. So Crypto Miss भी आज लुका छुपी खेल रही हैं. Social stating is designed not only to initiative financial participating but also the collective engagements, knowledge sharing communities laying the foundations for long terms. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a good day. Thank you so much for joining. Crypto Miss, how are you, my dear friends? Thank you so much for joining and thank you so much for supporting. So token information. So base token information, you can see the League of Traders, token symbols, LOT, network, Binance, Smart Chain, BSC, contract address, maximum supply, 1.000.000.000 token, TKMLS 18 Leagues of Trades token LOT will be issued on BEP 20 tokens on the Binance Smart Chains. BSC with the potentials from multi-chain supports accumulated futures. Have a good day. Same to you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining and follow me, my all dear friends. जो जो मुझे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं सब फॉलो कर लें ताकि रिवॉर्ड हासिल कर सकें. रिवॉर्ड का टाइम हो गया है दोस्तों, सो रिवॉर्ड ले लें. क्रिप्टो मिस आप भी रिवॉर्ड ले लें. टोकन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फील्ड. सो फील्ड शेयर नंबर ऑफ टोकन्स TGE क्लिप months visiting. So seed 6%, 16.00000, clip 6 visiting 24 months. Thank you so much for joining all dear friends. So private sale 30%, 130.000.000%, clip 6 12 visiting month. So team, my dear, this is team 15%, 150.000.000%. So 6 clip visiting month is 24. Marketing 8%, 80.000.000, 37.5%. Clip month 0, visiting month 36%. Thank you so much. Same to you, dear Crypto Miss. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for joining and having live stream. Thank you so much Skyfall. Thank you so much Gate user. Thank you so much. So ecosystem is 40%, 400.000.005%, clip month 0, visiting month 36 month, liquidity 6%, 60.000.000, 100% TGE, clip is 0, so visiting is 0. IDO 2%, 20.000.000, 100% 0, so visiting is 0. IDO 20.000.000, 100%, and airdrops 5%, 55%, 40% 2 clip 4 visiting. Treasury 5%, 50.000.000, 0%, clip 6 visiting 12 months. Total is 100% and 1 billion, 50% TGE. Become gate user. Thank you so much. Crypto Miss, always welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining. And so you can see the picture of this one. You can see all total of percent. I will show you and update you. Thank you so much for joining all dear friends. So now go to the unlock supply schedule. The graph show to the lot supply unlock cap over their years from the token generation. Events TGE 15% in unlock at TGE with the rest globally released per the visiting schedule. So League of Traders token unlock supply schedule. So welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dearest friends. Welcome all Gate users. So आज हम बात कर रहे हैं गेट लाइव के न्यू प्रोजेक्ट दो प्रोजेक्ट जिसका मैं आपको रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ दोस्तों। सो बहुत शुक्रिया क्रिप्टो 777 बांग्लादेश। वेलकम ऑल गेट यूजर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। So now go to the unlocking rules. 100% unlock gate live launch pool allows user to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project officially launching, ensuring you are start earning rewards immediately once mining begins. Reward distributions. The system will distribute token rewards to user spots accounts every or based on the proportion of the assets staked by the each user. Gate launch pool FAQ. How to participate? Login into your Gate accounts and complete identity verifications. Navigate to the launch pool, hold at least 0.0003 ETH, 0.01 GT, click stake. So welcome all Gate users. So project information providing the League of Lords Lead of Trades Lords team, please follow the League of Trades LOT websites for more details. Introduction. South Korea #1 social trading platform. The game file the crypto trading experience backed by the Marina, C3, Virtual, Kadiza, Crypto VCS, Newbiz, Korean gaming company websites. So I will show you already my dear friends the websites and white papers. So Gate Labs investor disclosure. Gate Labs did not invest in Leagues of Trades LOT. So notes, you can see the notes. Gate launch pool in innovative staking and airdrop platforms where user can stake Gate, BTCs, ETH, USDT and other tokens to earn. Early airdrops of hot and new tokens with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for the effortless capturing market opportunity. Please complete identity verification before not participating in launch pool to enhance the security of the events. When participating, any cheating behavior, impropriety, and or any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. Where any discrepancy occurs between the translated version and the original version, the English version shall prevail. Gate receiver all rights. The final explanation, this event is not affiliated with the Apple Inc. User in the United Kingdom and other registered location cannot access the service, including the participation in the event. Scam competition. See the user agreement for the further details on registered location. Risk warning. The project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its entire sale price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. The crypto project is still in trial stage. Factors including the operations and underlying technology of the project and other regulatory activities may contribute to significant risk. Advanced technical and finance knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the entire risk of crypto assets investments. Welcome all Gate user, welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. The market value is high. The price of token is might fluctuate. This user to technical withdraw and the purchase token due to technical issue. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. User may not be able withdraw and all purchase tokens due to technical issue of the project of Gate. So Gate team June 21, 2025 gateway to crypto trade over 3.600 cryptocurrency safely, quickly and easily on Gate. Take action now, stay connect, transparency and security. तो आज का जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट था वो था गेट लाइव वालों की तरफ से, गेट लाइव LOT। सो जिसकी ये था ऑफिशियल पेज, मैं आपको इसके बारे में A to Z गाइड कर रहा था दोस्तों। सो ये थी इसकी वेबसाइट, दिखाता चलूँ आपको एक दफ़ा। ये वाइट पेपर है, ये इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट थी जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको बताया। A to Z मैंने आपको इसका दिखाया। डीड्स ऑफ ट्रेडर्स LOT। सो बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब दोस्तों का आने का, जिन जिन दोस्तों ने मुझे ज्वाइन किया, सपोर्ट किया। क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, क्रिप्टो बेस, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, गेट यूज़र, क्रिप्टो आई, क्रिप्टो प्रिंस एंड अदर यूज़र जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया, मैसेज किए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सबसे मिलकर, थैंक यू सो मच। तो कल होगी आपसे मुलाकात एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। सो दुआ में याद रखिएगा आप सब दोस्त। बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब दोस्तों का आने का और कमेंट्स करने का। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अगेन ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। कल होगी आपसे मुलाकात नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दीजिएगा इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स।